In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Pixlr 403 error quickly and safely using a few simple browser steps. This is a great fix if Pixlr won't load properly, shows a blocked access message, or keeps throwing an error because of cached files or site data. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to refresh the browser, clear the right site settings, and relaunch everything so Pixlr can open correctly again. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Pixlr web app in your browser. Before changing anything else, try a hard refresh by pressing Ctrl F5 on Windows, or Ctrl Shift R if that shortcut works better on your browser. What this does is force the browser to completely bypass cached files and pull a fresh version of the Pixlr page directly from the server. In many cases, that alone can fix loading issues caused by old stored data. If the error still appears after refreshing, move on to the next step. With Pixlr still open, look at the left side of the address bar area in your browser. You should see a small menu or site controls icon there. Click that menu and open the site settings. This section lets you manage the permissions and stored data specifically for Pixlr without affecting every other website in your browser. Once the site settings page opens, look for the option to delete or clear the site data. Click the delete button to remove the saved information for Pixlr. This step is important because corrupted or outdated site data can sometimes trigger the 403 error and stop the app from loading normally. After deleting the site data, fully close your browser. Don't just minimize the window. Make sure it is completely shut down. Then relaunch your browser and open Pixlr again from scratch. Starting with a fresh browser session helps ensure the old cached files and site settings are fully cleared out. In most cases, Pixlr should now load properly without the 403 error. If the page still does not open, repeat the refresh step once more and make sure you deleted the correct site data for Pixlr specifically. This fix is simple, but it solves a lot of browser-related access issues very effectively. If this video helped you fix the problem, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.